When it comes to engineering software, Mac always lagged behind. You don't get native support for tools like CATIA or SolidWorks, and most engineers think you must have Windows PC. But what if I told you there is a way to run SolidWorks right on your Mac, and that too without installing inside VirtualBox or Windows for parallel? For that, first of all, what we need to do is we need to open our browser, and now here let me type my.solidworks.com. Okay, and at the same time, what I want you to have a look at the different plans SolidWorks has to offer. So let me quickly visit SolidWorks website, and especially when you are a student, then let me quickly show you the plan that they have. Now let me click here on SolidWorks student version, and then here you can see right now there is a sale also going on where one can get 50% discount when they buy student version, and then the price here is extremely cheap. So let me click here on buy now, and all these links are actually from SolidWorks. It's not like I am telling you or showing you something that is from outside SolidWorks. So here if I apply this coupon, it's going to reduce the cost of yearly SolidWorks XDesign license for just 3,468, and this amount will vary a little bit based on the country you belong to. Now coming to the part how you can run it online, well, I would say the SolidWorks XDesign for a student can be accessed through browser. For that, what we can do is we can actually type here SolidWorks free trial, and if you click here online product trial, and again all these links I'm going to provide you directly in the description of this video. So here you can try it. Let me click here on try now, which will basically take us to this page which we already have opened, and now here all you need to do is you need to click on sign up. Now once you sign up by filling up this form, all you need to do is you need to again visit on the same page, and then here you can click on login. Now I'm gonna log in with my credential that I have generated in my last step. And there we go. Now the next thing here I'm gonna do is I'm going to click on try SolidWorks. Now when you click here on try SolidWorks, here you're going to see this kind of thing, which kind of saying that they are kind of preparing the launch for us. Meanwhile I can cancel all these unnecessary tabs, and there we go. Finally here we can see it says launch. So let me click here on launch, which kind of further going to load. And finally, after some time here, you will see that the SolidWorks is ready and getting prepared for the launch. Now we need to wait for a while. And what I'm going to do here is I am also going to make it full screen. And finally here we can see SolidWorks is running inside macOS. Now let me make it full screen, and there we go. And now here we can see that the whole SolidWorks is running in Macintosh, and from here file, maybe I can open this engine SolidWorks assembly just to show you if it loads or not. And there we go. You can also see how big of this assembly is, which contain about 158 components. And now here we can see how easy it is to rotate, pan, and interact with the model. Now of course you can create your own model by going to file, new, and then defining the unit and dimension. You can also create yourself a new part. Everything made possible by SolidWorks XDesign that run completely on cloud. Now here if I click on catalog, not only you have got SolidWorks 2025, but you can also see other softwares as well. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna exit from full screen, and here I also have got option of dual monitor, which kind of again is quite cool. Now again I'm gonna actually close this, and now let me talk about the variant of SolidWorks that can run in macOS. So I'm gonna write here SolidWorks plans, and then as I showed you, SolidWorks for a student is a very cheap. Now of course, if you are a student, you're definitely going to get that cheaper variant. And then now let's talk about the different variant of SolidWorks and which particular version work inside Macintosh. So instead of going for the offline variant, one need to choose for SolidWorks XDesign. That kind of give you capability of running SolidWorks directly from the cloud. And I would say there is one more very important pro of running SolidWorks XDesign, which is now you can access SolidWorks from your mobile, Mac, or even Google Chrome. And by utilizing this particular version, you can even run not only in your Mac but virtually in any device that also include mobile phone. It is that intuitive, guys. But still, I would suggest or recommend you to go through the trial route so that you understand in 15 days during the trial period that if this software is really worth for you or not. And when it comes to these other variant, for example, the conventional SolidWorks, here the biggest advantage is if your system is really very powerful, then installing locally on system makes more sense. Now when we talk about this middle variant, here not only you can install SolidWorks in your PC, but here you also gonna get PDM link, which going to help you out in managing product life cycle. That's how, guys, you can access SolidWorks in your Macintosh without installing through, for example, Windows. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. If you have got any kind of question or doubt in your mind, please feel free to share your thoughts in comment down below. And subscribe to The Mac Essential for more such content. And I will see you soon. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.